Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my laundry day and I've never loved doing laundry this much. So today I'll be reviewing this product that I got from Junior. It's a washing machine, a double twin tub, uh, 10 kg, yeah, I think, yeah. So get ready with me as we put water into the wash tub. This is the machine. Yeah, as you can see, sorry guys, as you can see, it's a twin tub. This is the wash tub. Put water. This is the spinner. So these are the tiny buttons. This is a wash timer, program selector if you want it to be gentle or normal, and this one is either you want to, when you want to wash, you use this one. When you still want to drain the water from here, you use this one. And when you want to spin, you use this one. So the good thing with this one is is the water inlet. I have the hose pipe for letting water in here, through here, but I'm not going to use it today simply because my tap is a bit far, so I can't use it. So I have put water here inside using a bucket. And now it's time for me to mix this, to put in the detergents. I'm using the sunlight, auto machine washing sunlight. So I put so that I mix it before soaking my clothes. Yeah, I think that's enough. You're not using much. I don't have something to scoop, so sorry. So because I want to mix the detergents, I'm going to, because the button is already here, it's already on the wash up IV. So I'm going to turn this up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes maybe, so that it mixes the detergent. Sorry, I didn't turn the socket on. So yeah, let's do this for 3 minutes. So we're mixing the soap so that we soak in our clothes and start doing the laundry. So I think that's enough. So I'm gonna turn this off. See, the good thing with this one, it has an alarm, simply because it reaches hapa kumepeleka hadi kwa 0 sasa. So now let's soak in the clothes. Yeah, I have this little one. This one is for washing my baby's clothes. So I want to transfer the clothes from here. I just stored in there temporarily. So yeah, so we're going to transfer them here. Basically, what you're supposed to be doing here, you're supposed to be doing what? Separating the colored clothes and the white ones. But I'm going to mix them all there, because I don't have time, to save on time. So yeah, let's get them soaked. So the clothes are already soaked. So I'm gonna close here, and then because the button here is already on the wash there, it's not on the draining area. So I want to wash these clothes for because they're not that dirty. Let's wash them for 6 minutes. No, or let's do with the 9 minutes. So yeah, that's how it is washing. I think I'm loving it here because you can be cooking some juice or cooking while you do your laundry. Now it's almost done. It's been moving. So if I had turned this up to half of 9 minutes, so it keeps going back till it reaches for 0 minutes. Going over 0, we are almost done doing the washing, so that now we do the rinsing. See, that's the alarm because it's done. Because sasa kwa 0 inaenda kwa 0, inaelekea kwa 0 minutes. We are done. So let's check the clothes and then we are going to rinse them. So now it's time to drain the water from the wash tub. Si tumeosha nguo. So we've washed our clothes and it's time to drain the water. So I've placed the washing machine near my washroom. So this is the draining a hose pipe, that is. So I'm going to put it down so that I go select from the drain there. So you see, I've put it down. We are going to select here drain. So the water is draining. You can see it's also draining from the tub till it's done, so that we refill the water there, so that we rinse this clothes. So yeah, it's done draining. So we're going to transfer these clothes to the spinner, and then we spin the clothes. So I'm going to put water here. There was a spin turner like for 3 minutes. So guys, it's done washing, and I want to add water here so that I spin them for another 3 minutes so that I dry them here. You can as well dry them with this one, but I want to use this wash tub. Okay, so I put water in here, and then I added my fabric softener and conditioner. I'm using this one. The reason I started this one is because it became a lot. As I was saying, I'm using this one to make my clothes curly. The reason I'm using this one is because I was using a pizza in a heat. And topic is I've loved this one because when washing my baby's napkin, my god, it's just doing magic. So let's rinse the clothes and spin them to see if they actually dry. So yeah, now I'm going to lock here. Also lock this one. So we're going to rinse for how many minutes?